This will be the elevator at JCPenney, Park Meadows Mall, Lone Tree, Colorado. This is another elevator that I've been anticipating on riding for a while for some reason. We got another Montgomery KONE. Here it is. This one already looks a lot better than the one at Dillard's. Pretty nice cab. This one's got the arrow button. Here's your certificate. Montgomery KONE. Eventually. There we go. Alright, from what I've heard, this thing's got a nice motor. So we'll let the doors close first. Alright. Well, you couldn't hear it over the fan, but that's okay. We'll take another round trip. Or at least we'll go end it on one. This is a pretty nice Montgomery KONE elevator. It's got a 3,500 pound capacity on it. Apparently the property owner for this place is from Louisville, Texas. That's good to know. It's usually a very nice elevator for a JCPenney though. No, we'll go ahead and end it right down here. There's your button.